In the realm of baking, a cake is not merely a dessert. It's a canvas waiting to be adorned with creativity and ingenuity. The joy and artistry of cake decorating, in its essence, is about transforming an ordinary baked good into a stunning masterpiece. Embarking on this journey of confectionery creativity, one begins with the foundation, a perfectly baked cake. The first technique is crumb coating, a crucial step often overlooked. This involves applying a thin layer of frosting to the cake, locking in the crumbs and creating a smooth canvas for the final coat of icing. It's like priming a wall before painting. It sets the stage for a flawless finish. Next, the technique of frosting or icing the cake comes into play. There are myriad ways to frost a cake, but one of the most popular methods is the smooth icing technique. It involves applying a generous amount of frosting on the cake and then smoothing it out using a spatula or a bench scraper. This creates a sleek, polished look that serves as a perfect base for more elaborate decorations. After the canvas is prepared, it's time to bring out the color palette of edible paints, the food coloring. Marbling is a technique that uses different shades of frosting to create a swirling pattern, reminiscent of a marble stone. It's achieved by applying blobs of different colored icing onto the cake and then blending them together using a spatula. The result is a stunning multi-toned effect that's sure to impress. Now, if you're willing to venture into the realm of intricate details, piping is the technique to master. Using a piping bag and various tips, one can create an array of designs, from delicate lacework to bold rosettes. The beauty of piping lies in its versatility. Whether you're aiming for a minimalist design or a grandiose spectacle, piping can cater to all. Another technique that's gaining popularity for its rustic charm is the naked or semi-naked cake decorating technique. This involves applying a thin layer of frosting that partially exposes the cake layers underneath, creating a chic, unfinished look. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes less is indeed more. Now, for those who wish to turn their cake into an edible garden, the technique of fondant flowers is a must-learn. These are delicate, lifelike flowers made from fondant icing, meticulously crafted petal by petal. They serve as stunning toppers for cakes, adding a touch of elegance and whimsy. These are just a few of the many cake decorating techniques out there. Each one offers a unique way to express creativity and transform a simple cake into a work of edible art. From the smooth frosting technique to the intricate art of piping, the rustic charm of naked cakes to the delicate beauty of fondant flowers, each technique tells a different story. The joy of cake decorating lies in experimenting with these techniques, discovering your own style, and creating something that's not just delicious, but also a feast for the eyes. So, pick up that spatula, squeeze that piping bag, and let the magic of cake decorating unfold.